My name is Casey Hart. I work at Foxwood Tech. Well, I don't work there. Actually, I should start over. I own the place. God damn it. She's so delicate. My name is Casey Hart. I own Foxwood Tattoo Collective in Eldersburg, Maryland, and today I got to tattoo the pound of flesh Lucky Ducky. This was such a fun process, even though it was quite challenging. I would say the stencil process is most likely your biggest challenge. I pretty much did the sandpaper and then doused everything in alcohol like the pound of flesh video. And then I did the deodorant stick on the paper towel just like the video suggested, which I think helped a ton instead of putting on deodorant stick straight on to the pound of flesh. That doesn't seem to work as well for me. And I let it dry, and then I put the teensiest amount of stencil stuff from Recovery, just enough to make it slightly shiny, and then let that dry about 15 seconds, and then place the stencil pretty normally. We're actually tattooed today. We used world famous triple black. This was an awesome black to use. I believe it's one of the more consistent blacks I've used, and I like the consistency of the ink. It's much thinner than what I currently use, so it was able to lay lines really quickly. Love the world famous ink. Today I used Type 3s, Type 5s, Type 7s, pretty generally from Triton. They're one of the newer ones from Peak and my favorite out of the line. These are really, really precise needle groupings that they have for the 1003s, 1005s. 12-3s are my favorite from the Tritons. I really do like the Triton cartridges for the tinier needle groupings. I would say the bigger the liner, the more it shows up on the pound of flesh and easier to work with.
What's dope about these Tritons is that they have the labels on them.
Oh, that's magic. To do the Lucky Ducky, I used quite a few products, especially from Recovery. One of the major ones that was helpful with the Recovery Glide. This absorbed the ink very fast to help the ink get off of the duck faster. We used pretty simple alcohol and Lysol wipes and dish soap to help clean throughout the tattoo and after the process to clean the duck off because it was very, very smeary with all the ink. So it might be a little expensive, but I think the Clorox wipes helped a ton with getting the excess ink off in real time like it is on skin. We also used Recovery Tattoo Lotion today. Lotion helped a lot. This, I think, absorbed a lot of the ink at the end for us and pulled all the ink up so that we could clean the tattoo off of the duck very nicely. I also use this lotion regardless and love it. When we got done or needed to wipe down pretty generally to get a lot of the excess ink off, we found a concoction of dish soap and lotion seems to work really well, and then dry paper towels. I realized that the wetter my paper towel, the more it was smearing around, so I think dry paper towels is your way to go when you're trying to get it cleaned up. Dabbing instead of wiping more so definitely is the way I tattoo anyway. Definitely push down and dab more so. And it's not a person, so you can rough it up a little. I think you do kind of have to be a little rougher with this. Pressure-wise, stencil-wise, cleaning it wise, definitely some elbow grease goes a long way. Sweet deal. Ba-chow! Ducky, ducky. That was good. Boink.